Oh, huh? What brings you to this place? Oh, that is a very common way to get here. Just keep going and you'll see an exit. Since you have already come so far, it shouldn't be very long now. One more thing though. When you reach the crossroads, do not approach the men without faces, especially if they are wearing a suit and tie. No good can come out of a conversation with them. If they approach you, pretend you did not notice. If you find one dead though, do me a favor and throw it into the glow pond. You'll know it when you see it. Thank you, that's very kind of you. The spectre in room 73 is a friend of mine. Tell him I said hi.